In this video, I will show you how to add an SPF record in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Cloudflare account. After logging in, I want you to locate the domain that you want to add the SPF record for. And after you find that, we're going to go to DNS. And in DNS, we're going to go to add record. Now, before we continue, I want you to know that an SPF record is a text record that will be in your domain settings, and what it does is it will list a number of mail servers that are authorized to send emails on your behalf. So to add the list of those servers that will be allowed to send emails on your behalf, we're going to go to type, and then we're going to go to text, which is abbreviated as TXT, and we're going to point to our root file. Once we do it's going to point to our root file. Let's set TTL to 1R, and in here we're going to write the servers that we want to allow to send emails on our behalf. And once we're done, we're going to click on save. Now once we save, we're going to wait for a few minutes for it to propagate, but that's how you add an SPF record in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.